We'll guide you through how to make a circle webcam on OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on Windows or Mac, it doesn't matter. Come to the bottom left of OBS and click the plus and create a new scene. What we're going to do is go and name this circle like so, and we can press OK. In sources, press the plus and you want to press video capture device. Press OK, and then in device, go and choose your camera. I'll go and use this one here and press OK, and there I am. Go and resize this to your liking and make sure that it goes and fits, which I'm doing now. Now, what you need to do is go and head into the description of this video. There, I'm going to go and have a link to an image which looks like this. This is the mask layer, so go and download it. Come back to sources and you need to go and right click on the video capture device and go and press filters. Then in effect filters, press the plus and you need to find the option image mask/blend and press OK. Then you want to go and press browse where it says path. And you need to go and choose what we just went and downloaded. Select it and press open, and as you can see, it's now circular. So what I can do is you can go and make some edits here, and then what we can do is go and press close, and there it is. Now come back to the scene you want to go and use it in. This is it for me, and press the plus in sources. Press scene, and you can then go and select the existing circle scene, and press OK, and there it is. And then what we can do is go and resize it to our liking. For example, I could have it in the top left,